Every new piece of industrial equipment comes with some type of management interface that can be remotely accessed over a network by controllers, operators, and analytics software. Cisco has organized solution information around these three groups of data consumers. Let's explore the industry use cases in these areas. As we work in a world of connected assets, building secure and manageable network infrastructure is essential. Three use cases summarize most of the requirements our customers are working on with their OT network infrastructure. They are, first of all, digital process and production, which is all about control system networks. Secondly, remote system management, which is securely connecting to equipment remotely from anywhere people happen to be. And then third is asset visibility, which is gathering data for reporting, analysis, and decision making. In this video, I'll describe each of these in a bit more detail. Feel free to follow along at one of these links to see how Cisco addresses each of these areas. The first area is digital process and production. Almost every oil and gas site has some type of process control equipment installed. Today, all of this equipment is connected to communication infrastructure. Cisco has partnerships with these process control manufacturers. We leverage each of these partnerships to ensure Cisco networking works well with each system. We have implemented industry-specific protocols, integrated into many of their HMIs, and provide industry-leading manageability for our networking equipment. Cisco validated designs give you the confidence that your control system network design has been tested and implemented before. By exploring the digital process and production use case in the Portfolio Explorer, you'll find more details on the business drivers, technical components, and partnerships involved in deploying this use case. The second area is remote system management. Very few sites, if any, have resident experts for all the equipment at the site. There's no need to, with today's ability to connect into equipment remotely. The management and configuration screens of the equipment is usually accessed from a connected laptop or computer. Now, whether that computer is at the site or remote typically doesn't matter. This reality is great in many ways, but it also increases the risk of unauthorized access. Cisco has validated designs for security and remote access that ensure the safety of your environment and limit the access to only what's needed. By exploring the remote system management use case in the Portfolio Explorer, you'll find more details on the business drivers, technical components, and partnerships involved in deploying this use case. The third area is asset visibility. Although it's possible to connect every sensor to a network for monitoring, it's often been too expensive to do so. As a result, many data points are still collected manually unless they're needed for some type of control system. Recent developments in wireless technology have reduced this cost, making the business case for connection much easier. The data has also become more valuable with a recognition that operational efficiency, remote management, and workflow optimization are all impacted by the electronic collection of this data. By exploring the asset visibility use case in the Portfolio Explorer, you'll find more details on the business drivers, technical components, and partnerships involved in deploying this use case. In summary, building secure and manageable network infrastructure for your industrial environment is essential. With the three use cases of digital process and production, remote system management, and asset visibility, you have the tools to address your OT network requirements. For more information, check out cisco.com/go/oil and gas or cisco.com/go/mining. Take care.